market conditions shifting to mildly bullish in this bull market. Pretty significant reversal day yesterday, and didn't touch the momentum or breadth the needles a whole lot. They're still kind of sticking about where they were, as well as sentiment was already towards the upper end of this range. If we take a look at the buy-sell ratio, that did move a little bit, but not a whole lot. We went from 0.51 to 0.55, still in that bearish stance where we have more bears, more downtrends in the database than uptrends, and that's still going to be a factor moving forward. We did have a real solid move. It wasn't a big percentage move, but the intraday move was significant where we had that CPI data. It retraced all the way back down, found support, and then rallied all the way back up. Pretty strong, solid confirmation move here. Keep an eye now on S&P 500, see if we can hold up that 548 range. And again, that did shift that bias a little bit stronger, a little bit more bullish. Went from mildly bearish to mildly bullish. So you can see we are shifting, gaining a little bit more momentum here, but we still got a little bit of work to do on S&P 500, at least to gain momentum. But that was a real significant move today or yesterday. Sectors, I didn't really see anything shifting in sectors. Again, like the S&P 500, but there are some strong moves here in moving things back into that hold range or strength within that hold range. Commodities, we didn't see a whole lot here on gold yet either. Relatively flat day yesterday, and USO continuing to show weakness, but a little bit of a bounce there, 1.3% off of some of these lows. A couple of stocks to consider here in the muscle stocks group today. OSCR, which is in the insurance space, good solid confirmation move. Not quite to that momentum, but we're starting to see a lot of these patterns now where we've had these leading stocks that were doing really well, and that inflation recession risk coming back, and now we're starting to see that risk on type of trade for these type of names. That's an interesting price pattern at this point, and also seeing some gold stocks having some pops here, up 6% on New Gold and GD. A nice confirmation bar in the momentum zone. Good solid increase in volume. Some like I say, a few stocks for you to look at. Lots of other nice looking names in that new buy list. Take a look at some of those pre-market. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.